Hey, what is up guys, Arez Hassan here with yet another video, and in this video we shall be talking about the Samsung Galaxy A80. It is the newest Samsung phone and it is the latest phone for the A series contender, and this phone looks really good. Hands down, if this phone is priced really good, this would be the best mid-range if you can get at a certain price. If it is priced like 400 bucks, then this would be an ideal contender for everything. This one got a 6.7 inches Full HD plus Super Amoled display, and you can notice that there is no camera on the front, no punch hole display or nothing else. The reason for that is the camera module is on the back and it switches up on to the front, and it all does with its motorized mechanism. You can see the camera is on the back and there is not a single camera this time. There are two camera sensors, and the other one is time of flight 3D depth sensor, and it switches itself and turns itself onto the front side, so you can take it as a selfie camera as well. So the ultra wide sensor is f2.2 8 megapixel and the regular sensor is 48 megapixel f2.0. And the last camera is the depth sensor, so you can map depth and you can also switch in between the cameras. The ultra wide as well as the other camera both work for selfie as well, and this is one of the few phones that I really like. Now there is another option which is called the in-display fingerprint sensor, and also there is a 3700 milliamp hours of battery, which means this is going to last you a couple of days, if not only a single day. And I really don't like the colors. The colors are a little bit too dull for my taste, but otherwise the phone is really good. I hope that Samsung prices up it to the $400 mark. This would be the best price for this camera phone, and I shall see you in the next one. This is Arez Hassan and I'm signing out. Peace out.